find the defendant as to the crime of murder?
Guilty.
A mother killed, her little girl still missing. It's been more than 5 years since the brutal crime that rocked the state, but it took the jury only a few hours to find Jose Morales guilty of murder. Thanks for being with us here on Eyewitness News at 6. I'm Stephanie Simone.
And hi, everyone. I'm Erin Connolly. Matt McFarland is your reporter who has covered this case from the very beginning. He is live outside Milford Superior Court. And Matt, deliberations not taking very long here.
Aaron and Stephanie, absolutely. You might remember that jurors got this case late yesterday afternoon, deliberating for about 20 minutes. Back this morning at 9:30. At 11:30, they sent a note to the judge. So roughly 2 hours later, letting her know they had reached a verdict.
Have you find the defendant as to the crime of murder?
Guilty.
Jose Morales closes his eyes as he learns his fate, guilty of murder and tampering with evidence in the 2019 death of his girlfriend, Christine Holloway, inside her Ansonia apartment. The couple's baby girl, Vanessa, was nowhere to be found and is still missing.
On behalf of the Holloway family, I want to thank the jury in this case for the time, the effort that they took from their personal lives to sit through this trial. You all were there. You saw how difficult this material was.
Over 2 weeks, those jurors considered roughly 200 exhibits of evidence while hearing from a number of witnesses, including Jose Morales himself. Morales testified he was high on PCP when two men rushed into the apartment, one beating Holloway, the other running off with their baby. Morales admitted to cleaning up the murder scene and dumping bloody evidence that was eventually recovered. During closing arguments, his defense attorney said it wasn't an open and shut case, but jurors clearly felt otherwise.
How do you find the defendant as to the crime of tampering with physical evidence? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
The unanimous verdict not even taking the jury of 6 men and 6 women 3 hours.
All rise, court's adjourned.
As marshals led a handcuffed Morales away right after the audio feed was cut from the gallery, Christine Holloway's brother yelled out, "Where's Vanessa, scumbag?" A question that's unanswered to this day. The whereabouts of the little girl, now 6, still unknown. Reacting to the conviction, Holloway's sister-in-law posted to the Bring Home Vanessa Morales Facebook page saying how they finally got justice for Christine, writing, "My family is beyond grateful for all the hard work of everyone involved that brought us to this moment. But this journey for justice does not end here. My family and I will continue to advocate for Vanessa. We will never give up until she has been reunited with our family."
I am confident following the sentencing that you'll have further opportunity to hear from the Holloway family as well as the Ansonia Police Department as they discuss any additional developments that could possibly arise out of this verdict with regard to Vanessa Morales.
Now, you heard the prosecutor there talk about developments that could arise. With today's conviction, Jose Morales is now looking at 65 years in prison. Prosecutors and police believe he knows what exactly happened to Vanessa, and the hope is that now, facing that sentence, maybe now, he would shed some light on her whereabouts. Jose Morales will be sentenced on July 8th. Live outside Milford Superior Court, your reporter, Matt McFarland, Channel 3, Eyewitness News.